What is up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a quick video. We'll be unboxing and installing the A400 model dashcam from 70MAI in the Volkswagen TAIGUN. So let's get started. On unboxing, first we have the front dashcam. It's got a small display. You can basically use the display along with the 4 buttons provided at the bottom to control the device, or you can also use an app which needs to be installed on your phone. And then we have the rear camera. The A400 supports dual channel recording, so it can record both front and rear camera at the same time. And we have a tool which can be used for installation. We have the cables for front and rear camera. Now let's install the dashcam. The A400 supports recording at 1440p quad HD resolution, which ensures clear and detailed footage. Along with that, it also has a 145-degree field of view. Using the built-in G sensor, it can detect sudden acceleration, braking or collision and automatically saves the current video footage. And that will be protected from being overwritten. Alright, so that is it from my end. If you have any questions regarding the product or the pricing, you can contact Feelup Accessories. I'll put their information in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, do subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more such videos. Until next time.